Welcome friends, I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. Revise with me homeopathic remedy Amylum nitrosum. Its common name is nitrite of amyl, and this is part 1 general overview series. The text is from Allen's keynote, which is supplemented by Borick, Clark, and Kane Mathur. The text is best suited to the BHMS students, interns, MD, UPSC, and PSC aspirants. The remedy profile is: it is a small remedy and best suited to the females at climacteric period. The kingdom is mineral kingdom. The source, it is a chemical salt, and habitat, it is available with chemist. The formula is C5H11NO2. The preparation, the remedy is prepared by dilution with alcohol, and the remedy was proved by T.F. Allen and published in his encyclopedia in 1874. The organ tissue affinity is central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, endocrine glands, cardiovascular system, and female genitals. The lateral affinity is ambilateral, and thermal affinity is ambithermal remedy. The constitution, the somatic predilectation is plethoric perimenopausal females. You will find diagram where you will see how the plethora of Cushing syndrome is present and menopausal syndrome is seen. The psychic preponderance is temperamentally the patient is nervous sensitive, and the mental sphere is there is a great anxiety as if something might happen, anticipatory anxiety. The causation, the diathesis aspect is having circulatory complaints where you will find arterial and capillary vasodilatation and flushing. Circulatory disturbances where we find the heart has got tumulus action. The elements from climacteric period or menopausal phase is the area when this remedy becomes effective. The characteristics of this remedy include there is craving for fresh air and opens window in coldest weather. Constant stretching for hours is a characteristic. Profound and repeated yawning is also a characteristic. Seasickness, hemicrania affected side has got paleness. The characteristic flushing of the face at slight emotion is marked. Blushing or chronic or acute can be seen. The collar seems too tight, must loosen it. We have angina where we'll find intense throbbing in heart and carotids. The puerperal convulsions, especially immediately after delivery. The relationship of this remedy includes it is similar to belladonna, coca, ferrum, gluonine, lachesis, and it is antidoted by cactus. The general modalities include aggravation is mental or physical exertion, and amelioration is in open air. The miasmatic orientation of this remedy includes we find angina, usually it is because of atherosclerosis, and that thickening of arteries is a psychotic marker. Climacteric period is hormonal disturbances take place at this time. There can be certain hormones which become less or more, so this is also a psychotic marker. The spasmodic affections like hiccup is also pointer to psychotic trait. So our impression about this remedy is amyl nitrosum is a predominantly psychotic miasmatic remedy. The posology. doses, homeopathic third potency is suggested by Burick. For palliative, in all conditions where the blood vessels are spasmodically contracted, as in cases of angina pectoris, epileptic seizures, and migraine, according to Burick. And when we use palliative, it is in the mother tincture doses, physiological doses. The repetition is, it wears the repetition well, and the duration of action is very short period of time. The clinical aspect where we use this remedy is perimenopausal and menopausal complaints, hemicrania or you can say migraine, the acute facial flushing which occurs in blushing, acute stress or anxiety, embarrassment, anger, and perimenopausal period. The chronic flushing is seen in case of Cushing syndrome, niacin overdose, rosacea, and thyrotoxicosis, angina pectoris, puerperal convulsions, and pyrexia is few of the things where we employ this remedy. So thank you very much for patient listening.